tornado sirens going off. But anyways, man, that ain't good. I have to look at the radar. Yesterday he put a screen up there to block the coon from getting back in there, but she's still in there. Well, right there in this little crack, the baby's been crying, or she's been crying, and it's been so loud it's tearing me up because they can't get out now. We got a tornado warning, and I'm outside.
You just said thunderstorm warning.
Well, the way it was looking pretty bad when it.
The hell is that, Miss?
That scare you, Missy? Hey, Missy. Hi, Missy. Yeah, you gonna be on YouTube?
Well, it sounds like a tornado.
That's tornado warning.
Thunderstorm warning on TV.
Hey, Missy. Are you scared? No, you're not scared.